Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And as you guys can see, baby, it's time to take these knotless braids down, baby. It's been time to take these knotless braids down. And I'm finally about to get the energy to do it because I can't go another day looking in the mirror like this, okay? So I took down my braids, and baby, let's talk about how I took it down and then I fell asleep and took a nap. Honey, it's about 12 o'clock when I'm doing this right now, okay? But I had to give y'all a hair update because y'all know I told y'all in order for it to grow, all dead hair must go. And guess what? It's been growing, y'all. Since I cut that dead hair off, what was that, like February? Yeah, we've been growing. So now I'm just finna, give me a nice look comb. I feel so much thicker and fuller. It just feels healthier on my head. So I'm going to give it a wash and just kind of press it out until I can figure out what I want to do next. Because I really want to do some braids, but I don't know if I can sit there again. So I'm just gonna find me a little in-between style until I can find me the next style. Okay, I washed it using the chai moisture shampoo, and I could not find the chai leave-in conditioner, so I had to go back to the Design Essentials, the avocado, which I do not like this. I do not like this. I do not like it. I do not like it. I do not like it. Maybe it's just the avocado line or whatever, but I do not like the residue that it leaves on my hair. How it just makes it feel like it has like a little film, like waxy, like yeah, I don't like it. But that's all I had up on my cabinet, so guess what, it had to be used. I couldn't just not use any conditioner. So y'all know I've been telling y'all about the steamer. I showed y'all in Kylie's last video that I steamed her hair, and I said I want to show y'all how easy it is to put together in this video. Like, it's literally 3 pieces, okay? Okay, y'all see, I just got the part where the water goes into. I got the part that holds up the headset, and I actually have the headset part. Now, this is also a 2-in-1 steamer, so it's a facial steamer as well. So I do have like the long spout that you can use, but I've always just used the hair steamer with the head cap. I want to try to use it like where I'm just leaning over the sink that way, and I'll probably try that the next time I do it. But yeah, so it's so easy to do, and let me tell you something. This sucker, it do what it needs to do, baby. It get real warm too up under there, real warm. But yeah, look at the shrinkage of my hair, okay? Look at that. You could just tell it's just shrunken in from all the water that's in there, baby. And I don't know what I was thinking, trying to just go in and blow dry this hair without combing it through. Cause baby, y'all say, I said, hold up now. Wait a minute. Baby, this steamer made me forget my hair texture. It was so nice and soft and just so, I don't know. It just felt good. I was like, I could just go straight through and blow dry now, baby. Put that comb through it, okay? Put that comb through it. I had to put the comb through it. So now I'm going through and just blow drying it out so that I can get ready to flat iron it as well. This is what we look like all blown out. And as you can tell, like, can't y'all tell that it just looks more thicker, like, from the last video I did. And I think I done grew just a tad bit, not much, you know what I'm saying, but it just looks a lot healthier since I cut it all out, even when it's blown out. Of course, I got a few little straggly pieces in the front, but that's because y'all know I ain't cutting it bang until I feel comfortable with it. Baby, I fell asleep after that. Let me tell you something. I told y'all my hairstyles be 2 to 3 days, okay? I can't do everything all in one, and I'm contemplating on what I'm about to, like, do I even want a flat handle right now? Did y'all see that look? And Kylie just keep messing with me, honey. Keep messing with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and just try to press on through. So I'm putting the bio silk all through my hair. I love a little oily hair. I don't know. I love oil and shine. Okay, I've loved it ever since I was a little girl. My hairdresser used to talk about me all the time. Why you got all this oil in your hair? I just love oil and shine. I don't know. I love it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm oiling it up, shining it on down. Getting ready to press it out. Yeah, y'all see. I do have to get me some more braids. Like, I gotta find a way where I can sit there. And the thing is, my girl, she didn't even take long, but I don't know. The last time I almost fell out, I had to go sit on her front porch because I was just like, I just need some fresh air. And her hair, I mean, it was nice and cool in there. It was just, you know what I'm saying? I just was like, I gotta walk outside because I'm about to faint. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm dreading going back to get some, but I have to get something done, okay? And my children are really on my head because I tried to wake up before them to get it done, but by the time I got good and started, y'all can see they was already up. So, baby, they hungry. And I said, wait a minute, let me take care of myself first. Now I'm coming to fix y'all something. And keep on walking in and out that doggone bathroom, walking past the bathroom. Like, oh, just getting on my nerves. But anyway, let me get back to this video. Lord, just thinking about it got me upset. But anyway, let me focus, baby. I'm just going through one pass. I sprayed my heat protectant, did my bio silk, and I got one little pass, and that's all I'm doing on it to get it all nice and straight. And y'all can't. Did I grow an inch? I can't tell. I don't know. I feel like I did, but I'm biased, honey. I'm biased. Anytime I clip my ends, I just look. Keep on messing with me. He just keep on messing. Both of them. I'm tired by now. This is what we look like all flat ironed out, okay? And I am going to trim my ends. Just give it a little quick trim. I'm not going to go through and be very detailed because I don't think it needs it that much. But I'm just going to, I don't want it to get as bad as it did in the past. So I'm trimming every 2 months, every 6 to 8 weeks. I'm making sure, even if it don't look like. And in order to get me through these next few days until I decide what I'm gonna do with it, I'm a pin curler, baby. This reminds me of when I was in college. Giving y'all a little bit of little tea. That's what they used to call me back in the day, little tea. But anyway, we used to have to pin and curl our hair for cheerleading. That's how we used to wear our hair. And I was so surprised about that. I was like, y'all ain't got no braids? Like, y'all don't have to put y'all hair in a ponytail? Look, she don't know what to wear. Let me do my hair, Lord. So y'all see why I be trying to wake up before they do so I can just enjoy my me time. But anyway, this is what I look like all pinned up. And like I said, in cheerleading, I used to be just like so shocked that we got to wear our real hair out and didn't have to be in a ponytail. But I fell in love with these pin curls. I think this is one piece of my college years that I'm gonna take with me forever, honey, because I love a pin curl. And it gives me that nice little body, and I feel like I got a little roller wrap. Y'all know I love me some big hair. So that's what the pin curls do for me, and it keeps me from having to continuously flat iron my hair. If it gets real poofy, I don't mind because, like I said, I love me some big hair. So I'm just gonna take them apart. I'm gonna do them a little bit smaller next time, just because I can just tell it was like a lot of hair in some of those hairpins. But this is what we're working with. And I'm just going to use my hands to kind of comb it and mold it how I want to. And I am going to use a wax stick instead of some edge control just to lay down those edges. I will also get my little hot comb and go through my edges a little bit, but I ain't gonna go nowhere right now. I just want to look like somebody while I'm walking around my house, honey. Yeah, and this is what we're working with. When your dream girls always on sin.